Hello. A very cloudy morning to everyone. My name is Pia. I am a retired flight attendant, by the way. I used to fly before for over 10 years in the Middle East. Now back here in the Philippines for good, doing a layer poultry business. So, medyo maambon. Hindi pa naman umaambon. But it's a very cloudy day here sa farm. Pero masarap masarap ba yun? Masarap yung simoy ng hangin. Um, this is our farmhouse, Buhay Probinsya, and that is our glory house. We have just delivered 10 chick starter for our growing chicks. Tsaka our layer poultry business. Layer poultry buildings. So another one will be placed down this side. Additional 1,000 capacity na building until papunta na yan sa dito. So ganun kami mag-expand. Yan kasi yung start ng ng lupa. And then pupunta tayo dito. Tayo mag-expand. So one thing pala I would suggest if you're really serious about this kind of business is that find a land na pwede kang mag-expand. Kasi tendency kasi pag we are just in a backyard sa sa bahay natin is that limited yung opportunity natin to expand. So natutunan ko din yan sa mga kapatid ko na who are also business owners na din, na find a way talaga to expand. Since we are into agriculture at saka poultry business, there's no other way but to really, keep increasing your opportunities, and that's the only way for us to also grow. So yun yung rason na bakit namin kinuha tong ganito kalaki na lupa. Actually, for those who are just new to my vlog and to my channel, pala siya, hindi lupa natin to, it's just being leased for 10 years. A lot of people would disagree with me na why we have to put up this kasi sayang daw yung mga buildings. But if you really have to think about it, 10 years guys is a lot of years. Ang daming mangyayari nga sa 5 years, much more sa 10 years. Yung mga Starbucks, McDonald's, ibang mga companies, you really think na sa kanila yung mga mga pinatayuan nila ng mga lupa? Hindi, di ba? Just have to think outside the box. Not necessary yung kailangan mo talagang angkinin, kasi siguro in the next 3-5 years siguro may chance ka na doon na bumili ng lupa nun, while you still don't have the means to have your own piece of land. Then kung kaya mong mag-lease muna at sa murang halaga, why not, diba? Kasi opportunity mo is exponential especially when you're into agriculture. Ang dami ring nagsasabi na we should build a more durable. Well, in our experience naman so far, wala namang nangyari sa amin kasi especially the layers namin is made of steel, tsaka concrete yung haligi nila. This one naman is made of wood lang, pero at the same time alam namin na durable siya. Hopefully naman hindi naman tayo nagdadasal na dadating yung mga ganun na pangyayari, na bagyo and all. Pero as you all can see, napapaligiran tayo ng bundok. So hopefully hindi ganun siya kalakas. Yung nangyari sa bagyong Christine, nakita nyo yung Sierra Madre, yung pag-protect niya sa bagyo dahil sa Sierra Madre na na forest or bundok. So hopefully ganyan yung mangyayari sa amin kasi dito napapaligiran kami nasa likod kami ng bundok. So hopefully hindi tayo magdadasal na yun yung mangyayari. We always hope for the best. Yun naman talaga yung mga Pinoy, di ba? Hindi natin malalaman saan naman talaga papasok yung mga bagyo. Pero we're so used to those calamities na nga eh. Anyway, we are currently just staying here for the meantime. Baka mamaya pa kami uuwi. I'm not going inside. Actually, I just went inside the grower house. Pero, yun lang. Hindi na ako nagbihis. Pero galing ako sa bahay, hindi kami pumunta anywhere else. So, yung damit ko has to be clean and new. Tapos, dapat naligo. Yun yung biosecurity namin dito. Yun yung rule namin. Biosecurity has to be, maintained. So, every time lumalabas yung mga tao namin, pagdating nila dapat naliligo at saka bagong bihis. Yun yung dapat. So, biosecurity has to be maintained, especially when you are into poultry business. Yan. So, papasok muna tayo sa bahay kasi medyo mahangin na. It's currently 2:30 in the afternoon. Yung staff namin is feeding the layers na naman. And then wala lang ako magawa. I'm just right here underneath the tree with our goat in the background. Minsan ang sarap lang dito. Sarap ng simoy ng hangin. Sobrang presko and lang. I have nothing else to say actually on this vlog. Probably I don't have any inspiration. For the past few days, parang nawawalan ako ng inspiration. But anyway, I still keep going kasi I need to be really consistent with my uploads. At saka, tulong na din itong mismong narinig yun guys. Ayan. I'm not sure if you can hear it. Ano yan ha? Paputok. Ay, hindi siya paputok. May kampo kasi dito malapit sa amin. And most of the time siguro nagtitraining sila dito. Kampo ng mga army. May nakikita akong sikwa dito. Ayan. But I think this is tanggalin natin to. So we just